Okay, last we are going to talk about making change. So what I mean by making change is when you are given a dollar amount, when you were only maybe owed part of the dollar, you have to make change. So you have to be able to give whoever's given you that dollar back what they still technically own. So one thing to just talk about this really quickly is we need to remember that we add coins to get to a dollar. So we can count or subtract to get to a dollar. And just remember that we can think in normal terms of numbers that we know, because 100 pennies, picture of 100 pennies over here, equals $1. So we can treat it like we have 100 pennies and work with numbers we're familiar with. So we can add up to get our change. This is one way we can get the number we need. We can use 55 cents plus what number equals $1, or 55 plus what number equals 100. So we can add coins up from 55 cents to 100. And in this case, the first thing we're going to do is add 1/4, so 125, and this is going to give us 80 cents. Now remember, we always start with the biggest coin we can add, and in this case we know it would be 25 because we haven't hit 100 yet. And then we would add 2 dimes, so 2 tens, and this would give us our 100. So we would have 55 cents plus 25 cents equals 80 cents, and then 80 cents plus 20 cents equals 100 cents, or $1. We can also write it like this: 55 cents plus 25 cents plus 20 cents equals 100 cents, and 25 cents plus 20 cents equals 45 cents. So 45 cents plus 55 cents gives us that dollar, so 45 cents is our change. The other way we can do it is we subtract the number. So we know that $1 equals 100 pennies and 55 cents equals 50 pennies, so we can just subtract. So we can take 100, or $1, minus 55, or 55 cents, to get our change number, and that's written over here, and of course that gives us 45 cents. So either way we solve it, whichever way is easier for you, our change is 45 cents. And again, that is the number of change left over when we are given a dollar, but we have to give some money back to the person because they did not actually owe us the full dollar.